Hey everyone, welcome back to PSLE Math for You. It's Leroy again, and today we are gonna go through year 2022 paper 2, question 12, and the topic is on geometry. Now, if you have a friend you think can benefit from this video, please share it with them. Free content for everybody. And if you have a question, please don't hesitate to send it to me. But for now, let's go and see what we have. Alright, let's see what we have here. I see a diagram, I see firstly a parallelogram and a few triangles here and there, triangle here, here, and a big one here. And the question is telling us that triangle ACE, so this big one here, is an equilateral triangle. And that means that all angles of the triangle are equal. Now, the three angles of a triangle, whether it's an equilateral triangle or any triangle that is not equilateral, always sums up to 180 degrees. Yes, and what the equilateral triangle has that's unique to others is that all angles are equal, which means all angles are 180 degrees divided by 3, which is 60 degrees each. So this is 60 degrees, this is 60, this is 60. Right? Now, the other thing that they're telling us is line DC equals to DE. And if that's the case in a triangle, it means that these two angles at the side here, they are equal. Okay, so with this information, let's see what we need to do and how we can tackle the question. So the first part of the questions asks us to find angle ACD. So it's this little angle here, right? Now, we know that these two lines are equal, right? That's from this part of the question, which means that each of this little angle would be 180 degrees minus 138, and you divide it by 2. So each of this, if you work it out, would be 21 degrees. I'm going to put 21 here, and I'm going to put 21 here as well. Okay, now if this whole thing, this bigger angle here is 60 degrees, right? Now you have this small part that's 21, so can you find this part? So it's 60 minus 21, which is 39, and that's exactly how I got the first part of the answer, right? So DC and DE are equal, so each degree is 20, each side of the angle is 21 degrees here. You take 60 divided minus 21 to get the smaller part, or the other part, angle ACD. Okay, so that's the first part of the question. Now part B, let's take a look at part B. Find angle CDA. Okay, so angle CDA. So let's put the answer that we found here also over here, right? So that we know what this information, how this information will help us. I'm going to take away this line. So this is 39. We are asked to find angle CDA. So we are asked to find this angle. I'm going to mark it in green here. Okay. Then now this part, because it's an equilateral triangle, that means this whole part is 60 degrees. CAE. So if this small part is 30 degrees, which means that this other part would be 30 degrees too, right? So I'm going to put it here as well, and I'm going to say that, hey, you are 30 degrees. Give me a minute. Let me just put this in. 30 degrees. Okay, then if the all sides of the triangle equals to 180, so we just take 180 minus 39 minus 30 will get us our answer here, which is 111. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I've done here. I've said that, hey, ACE is an equilateral triangle. All angles of the triangle, right, are 60 degrees. And then angle ADAC is equals to 60 minus 30, which is what we got here. And angle CDA would therefore be 180 minus these two. Okay? part C asks us to find angle EAB. So it's this big angle here, right? This whole circle, this whole area here. Now, if you look at this whole area, it's made up of a few things. This small angle at 30 degrees and this angle of a parallelogram. Okay, and I'm going to color it here just so that you know what I'm talking about. All right, so if you look at the parallelogram, one of the properties is any two angles that are adjacent to each other always add up to 180 degrees. So which means that this angle that is colored in red plus this angle that is 111 will add up to 180 degrees. Similarly, this angle plus this angle will be 180 degrees, and this angle plus this bigger angle here of a parallelogram will be 180 degrees. Now, so what is the angle in red? If this is 111, then the angle in red would be 180 degrees minus 111, which is 69 degrees. And then that's not the end of the answer, right? Because we are supposed to find a bigger angle of EAB. So it would be this red angle that we just found at 69 plus this little 30 degrees here, which would give you a total of 99 degrees. Okay, so let's talk about some key learnings. So firstly, all sides or even all sides and angles, right, of an equilateral triangle are 60 degrees each, and they add up to, all sides of a triangle add up to 180 degrees each. So these are two information that we've used to derive a few of our, to help us derive some of the answers, right, and above. Now, the sum of two adjacent angles in a parallelogram is 180 degrees. So what this means is, if you have two angles that are side by side to each other and they are on a straight line, then they will be 180 degrees in total. So this red one and this green one will add up to 180 degrees. And remember, this red one and even this, if I draw another, this yellow one and this red one, they will be 180 degrees. Okay. The next takeaway is, when two sides of a triangle are equal, their corresponding angles are equal too. So it's this little triangle that we saw earlier. When two sides are equal, that means these two angles are also gonna be equal. Okay, so that's it. And if you want to get some practice on similar questions, then you go to 2021 paper 2 question 7. Yeah. Thanks for watching. It's been once again lovely to share this with you, and if you have a friend who you think can benefit from this video, please share it with them. Otherwise, take care and good luck. Bye bye.